Good morning. Today we are going to see how to attempt bank exams or any government exams. How we have to prepare ourselves. What are the things we have to keep ready before going to exams, and all we are going to see through our bank to all YouTube channel. This is the professional way to learn. So please just listen to what I am telling. You take what are the positives, if neglect if there is any error, anything. You young warriors, you had kicked off your journey. You have to run and run again until the goal is reached. Face all difficulties, struggles with joy. There is a day you may taste the happy. You aimed and started to fly. Then don't stop. You can, only you can. You may face difficulties and problems. Think that it is short term, not a long term, and you will start breathing the success sooner. We or our forefathers never thought we may touch the sky, but Wright brothers made the reality. Aim your goal, still you achieve. It may be hard, I know it. Time taking, but don't let out your target. You may be tired and filled with hopeless, but it is time for you. Always think that if you can't now, nobody can. Hence, don't miss this opportunity. For government exams, for any government exam preparations and bank preparations, mainly they are focusing on English language, reasoning, arithmetic, general knowledge, computer and others. So in each topic they will be giving some number of questions, like 40 questions for 30 minutes. We have to attend all the sections. If you take any government exams, UPSC and all, the same type same formula will be used, or banking exam, IBBS, SB also same. For TNPC exams, if you see in the question set, there will be like continuous questions. So 30 minutes it will not be part 1. But anyhow, you have to prepare these 4 items. You have to focus on this 4 items to succeed in exams. English language. Normally, English language, this is to test your communication skills. Students find difficulty, but they know that it is difficulty, but they don't spend more time in this. As you know, as you are aware, it is hardness. You must focus more by reading newspaper, magazines, online test, not on the last day. This concept of exam is to understand the language, write letter to higher officials and government departments. It is mere to check the communications of your and your friends. Hence, don't worry, do the best you can. Reasoning. This is to test your intellectual. This is to check up your IQ, how the questions are raised, and for how you are answering are checked and found out. This is to find the correct particular answer for the raised questions. There may be a lot of answers to the raised questions, but what is the correct appropriate answer? It is being checked. It is one of the easiest and game-like study. Student has to face it with joy, but many feel that it's difficulty. You concentrate and make fun of reasoning. Don't attempt to answer all the questions. Attempt minimum questions and correct questions. Hence, you will be the winner of it. Try to learn the shortcuts and tricks to solve reasoning. Quantitative aptitude. This is to test your numeric talents. In banking and government sectors, they are filled with financial transactions which are used for getting profit to governments. Hence, they are filled with calculations and balance sheets. This is how fast you are counting, how you are solving the tables, and how you are taking time for bringing the answer are being noted. Numeric and calculations are very necessary and need to be updated in your memory. Always try to learn the shortcuts, tricks, apply it, and be the winner. Never attempt all the questions because it is not necessary, but attempt minimum questions which are necessary and must be correct. General knowledge. This general knowledge, computer, marketing, banking, this is to check your updates. You must be aware of day-to-day happenings, the important places, news, states in and around the world and India, different languages, different cultures, different dances, different methodologies are being followed in different states. You must be aware that because as you are Indian citizen, you must be aware that what are the happenings there. As the world is full of computer, you must be aware of operating the computer. The shortcut keys, memory, hard disk, RAM, etc. are being asked in the exams. You are the correct market. You have to market the product, and you are the correct person to market. Hence, learn the ability to market, because while if you are in banking or any other government sectors, you have to sell the product. Like you have to sell the loan, you have to sell the credit card, you have to sell your deposit products, etc. Hence, the marketing capability are being checked. Banking is one of the backbone of India, which is involved in financial transactions. The profit, gain, and all are being calculated and are tabulated in balance sheets. You must be aware of the observations, banking terms, and banking phrases. Simplifications. Simplify your answer. Choose your questions easy. Leave the questions if it comes harder. Skip and again skip if you don't know, but must attempt minimum 20 questions in all sector. Learn the formulas, tables, shortcuts, synonyms, antonyms, phrases, idioms, etc. Study the concept, tricks, shortcuts happily, which can help you in the exams. Daily preparation. How I have to prepare daily? If you are working in private companies or anywhere, at least you must spend 150 hours in monthly and 5 hours daily. How I will spend? Morning 2.5 hours and night 2.5 hours you have to prepare if you want to come to a government exam, government organizations. Those are non-working candidate who is aiming for to go for banking or government exams must give their output nearly for 10 hours a day, at least 300 hours monthly. You have to choose your tables. Like you decide your time and hours. Normally, for working, it is really hard to spend the time. However, you got to spend 5 hours. Those are not working, you got to spend 10 hours a day. You mark the table. Like today I have attended. Today I have given this 5 hours, 10 hours. Like that, you mark it, which will make you the path of success. Note your doubts. Ask your doubts. Discuss your doubts, discuss the answer, discuss the shortcuts. You make your own tricks and shortcuts to answer the questions. The same question can be asked in the exam, which can be easy for you to solve it. Memorize the formulas, learn the shortcuts, daily solve 10 questions in all the topics. You must be passionate and thirsty. You have to love your exams, because as you want to get a government jobs, you must allocate your time fully. Minimum 10 to 5 hours a day is necessary for to achieve the goal. You must do a group discussions, healthy discussion, which can help you to go further. You must attempt minimum questions only. Nobody will ask you to attempt all the questions. Minimum questions, nearly 20 questions. If there are 40 questions, you must be attempt at least 20-21 questions, correct questions within lesser time. That's the main thing. You have to attempt 20 questions within 20 minutes or 15 minutes, which can help you to solve or allocate this time to the harder one. You must select your harder. It is up depends upon you. Like I am selecting my harder first, then next harder, next. Otherwise, somebody will choose like GK first, English, which is easiest, next easiest. They will put harder in the last. This is a way you have to make yourself so that which makes yourself to attempt the exams clear. Make yourself and start and study again and again. There will be 60 to 100 exams in a year, in a month, 4 weeks. So nearly every week, Sunday or Saturday, there will be exams. Try to choose your exam and attend the exams. Note all the questions raised. Note your answers. Don't be panic. This will help you to go further and good for the next exams. So always make sure that you are making note of your previous exams and the mistakes what you have done, it will be being noted. Target the high. You can be a IAS or IPS in a day. Hence attempt all the exams which is being conducted. No job is superior or inferior except salary. Decide the salary, decide the status, decide the pressure, and attack the goal. Learn and study the story of Ghazani Muhammad, how he won and captured at the 17th time our capital of Delhi. How he faced such struggles and difficulties. No one will speak, but everybody will speak that 17th time he has achieved. After 16th time he has failed. Nobody will decide, nobody will ask, but he will be knowing how God. Learn and study the story of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Learn and study the story of our independence, how we got. Learn and study the life of our Mahatma Gandhi. Learn and study the story of our Dr. Ambedkar. So everybody had faced lot of difficulties and struggles, which will be useful for them, which made the success of the story. Still we are remembering these ideologies. There are a lot of ideologies. If you take all the ideologies are there because of their success, only we are now remembering. So UPSC exams, IPS, IAS, central government exams, public sector, state government, group exams, TNPC, everything. There will be lot of questions. Exams will be conducted in a year. So try to attempt all the exams and be a star in that. There are lot of true stories we can tell who has worked hard and achieved the target. Run till you achieve. If you can't, who can? Hence run and run again. You don't know when your destination comes, but be aware that it is near to you. Don't be panic always. When you have started to run, it is not necessary that you own it, but how close you are there to the first. Because next you will be going again further. Once sure that you will be the first. One day you will be the first. It is being noted. All the success people didn't taste the win in a day. Every day they have worked hard and they succeed in a day. So hence please run. You can turn this world upside down. You have the strength, knowledge and thirsty for the success is lying on your hand. Connect with your friends and collect the knowledge and put in your memory that brain. Present them in a correct and easy way and speedy. Score them, record them in writing. so that you can remember it. You can tell that once I have God, now I am tasting the success. You are the king. You will be respected. Your dream job will come true. You will be recognized in this world by all. Your hard work will be appreciated. You will be special in this world till the time you run. I am sure that the day is near to you. Don't be panic. The success is in your hand. Always do SWOT analysis. What is your strength? What is your opportunities? What is your weakness? What is your threat? If my strength is in reasoning or quants or English or GK or anything, you attempt it first. You try to attempt it first. If there is any opportunities, you learn daily preparations, then online test exams, class test exam. Every time you focus, sure there are a lot of opportunities are lying in your hand. There will be weakness that we know, like Facebook, WhatsApp, chatting, chit chatting, pressures in working, tiredness, everything there are. But if you want to achieve the goal, achieve the job, if you forget these for a month or for a 6 month, surely you can achieve the goal. Analysis and thread. We know that there is thread. You have to analyze the thread. Don't wait. You attempt. If there is failure, you learn it and record it. You will be shining a day. Soon your dream will be achieved and the path will be opened. We know there is a day you will dance, sing and enjoy in the path. Your stress are released. So when you are recognized, your hard work is also recognized. You are being rewarded with a good job. Now you can walk with pride. You can reach the height with full joy. Now don't be panic. Now you are being recognized. You have reached the height. Don't forget the day which is next to you. As you had put 3/4 of your hard work and tired. And if you are left, your 1/4 will be not recognized, or the success lies on 1/4. Hence, don't forget and don't be tired. The success is near, and you will receive the awards of government job best. So there is a day you can achieve. My sincere thanks to all of you for watching these videos, because we know that we can. If you can't, nobody can. Always think that if you can't, nobody can. So all the best for your exams, and you also will narrate like me in a day. There is a day. I am waiting. Thank you.